What is up, ADG traders? This is Munya and welcome back to my trading channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys this strategy that just made me about $21 right now. I've been live trading it and I've been checking out how best can one make some profits using this strategy. So I'm going to share with you guys the settings that you need for these indicators that I have on my screen, and then we're also going to talk about the conditions that are required or that should be met before you get into an entry. It's a pretty simple strategy. As you can see, I actually exited early from this trade because I was making some profits and I wanted to rush somewhere, but here is the move that I actually caught. I was supposed to exit somewhere around down there, but I exited quite early, actually only up to this point. But I had already made over 21 dollars, and I had multiple accounts with this strategy, so it was over hundreds of dollars with this strategy. So I want to share with you guys the settings and how you can set it up on your accounts, on your cell phones or in your PC. This strategy is for your mobile or your PC, so you can try it out on any of those devices and it will work perfectly. Now, as you can see, we have about two indicators. I say two because one of them has been repeated, so technically we have three, but the other two are just the same, just on different charts, and we should be able to come up with some nice trades that are profitable. If I could make $21 within minutes, you should be able to make the same. So what I'll do right now is I'll remove all my indicators, and then we'll have a step-by-step process of installing this strategy. Okay, so I'm going to go to my settings, and then I'm just going to remove all the indicators, and as you can see, we now have a blank chart. We are currently on Boom 500, and this is the time frame that we are going to be using, the 15-minute time frame. So make sure you have that in mind as well. And we're currently reviewing strategies each and every single day for the next 100 days here on this channel. So if you don't want to miss any of the strategies that we're talking about, make sure you subscribe and you turn on the notification bell that's right next to the subscribe button, so that I'll notify you when I post a video each and every single day. We actually have a group where we are trying to analyze the market together. We look at the markets together. So if you want to be part of that as well, make sure you comment down below that you are interested in that, and I can add you right away. So let's take a look at the indicators that we will need. Like I said, we only need about 2-3 indicators. The first one is going to be a moving average. So I'm going to go to my indicators and look for this moving average, and it is going to have the following properties that you see on my screen. We have got a period of 8, a shift of 0. The method is exponential. We have applied to close. Okay, there are no levels required for this one. And then on the color, I chose the blue color. Please try and follow the same colors that I have, because I'm going to be referring to these colors throughout the entire video. So for you not to get lost, try and have the same settings that I do. Okay, so if I click done, you can see I will have a blue moving average running across my chart. This is going to help us on price action mostly, and the trend. So we'll try and use it to identify our trend so that we don't get lost or we don't oppose the trend. Now, one thing that I had not mentioned about this strategy is you can do both spike catching and scalping with this strategy. You are not limited. You can go look for spikes. You can go against spikes and still be profitable. I was going against spikes, as you can see, and I was still profitable. And if you can find a strategy that can make you $20 a day, it's a big amount if you can do it consistently each and every single day. So I'm very happy with that. It will just need me to scale or have a bigger account from what I have been trading on. Okay, so the next set of indicators that we need are going to form part of our indicator window 1. And to start off, we will need the stochastic oscillator, which is right here, and it is going to have the following properties that you see on my screen. We basically have a percentage K period of 60, we have a percentage D period of 1, we have a slowing of 1, a price field of close over close. The method is exponential, and we've got these two important levels that we need, level 80 and level 20. Let me just quickly edit these levels so that they make sense to you. This is going to be a buy zone, this is going to be a sell zone. Okay, so if you click done, you go back to the other properties. I have set my main color to be green and my signal color to be red. Like I said, try and make sure you have the same colors that I do have. Okay, so if I click done, you can see that I now have my stochastic oscillator added down there with all my levels and my stochastic oscillator itself, the indicator itself, which is good. The last indicator that we need for this strategy is a moving average. So I'm going to go back to my indicators, but this time I'll click where it says indicator window 1, and then I'll click the moving average, and it is just going to have the same properties as the first moving average that we installed. So basically just going to click on done, or if you had removed it, here are the properties. Okay, so if I click done, you can see that we now have the full strategy, and what's simply left is knowing when to buy and knowing when to sell. But before we get into all that, I just wanted to remind you guys that if you click the subscribe button, you like this video, and you comment down below, I'll add you to our 100-day trading challenge. Yes, you'll be able to interact with me and other traders and looking at the market each and every single day for the next 100 days. I think this is a program that is going to help you grow and expand more. So you can just send me a screenshot on my WhatsApp number showing that you have subscribed, you have liked this video, and you have commented down below something you have learned during this video, and I'll be able to have your WhatsApp number and also add you to that group. It's completely free to join. All you have to do is subscribe, like this video, and comment down below. Okay, it's quite easy. My WhatsApp number will be in our Telegram channel as usual. To avoid scammers, to avoid people that pretend to be me, you can only find it from our Telegram channel. I'll leave the link in the description box below. It's completely free to join. Just click the link. It will take you straight to my Telegram channel, and you'll be able to see my WhatsApp number, my trading results, my student trading results, our signal service, VIP signals, our mentorship service, our account management program, and everything. You'll be able to see it for free in our Telegram channel. The link is down below, or you can get my number from my TikTok account. Again, we have strategies on that platform, and also my WhatsApp number is available. But let's get back to today's business. How are we actually going to make some money with this strategy? Okay, pretty simple. You're going to be in your 15-minute time frame, and you're going to adjust to the third smallest zoom level. This is very important. Third smallest zoom level is the one that you should be using. So this is my smallest zoom level. I'm just going to move one step up. Let me start again. Smallest zoom level, one step up, another one. So this becomes my third zoom level because it's on the third position from the last. Okay, so once you have established that, what you simply need now is knowing the zone that you are currently in. So if you are in a sell zone, we expect to have the blue and the red line here cross each other while it's in a sell zone, and we expect a break from market structure on our candlesticks. We expect candlestick to break and go below that blue line to signify or to permit that sell trade. And once you see something like that, you're going to enter heavily. Now on your take profit levels and the stop loss levels, we're going to use quite a variety of things. You can use your support and resistance, know your previous low, know your previous high, so that you can know what to do. So for me, I would have my stop loss right here, and I can have my take profit first, my first take profit here, and my second take profit there. Can you see? At each level, it was a very important price level that I was either exiting or entering. So that's one way of doing it. The other way of doing it is actually using this strategy. When you see this red line reaching your buy zone, you know that you are most likely about to experience a retracement, or you can use risk reward ratio as well. You can help yourself with that. Okay, let's take a look at what happens if you see the blue and the red line crossing while it's in a buy zone. The same thing happens. You're going to come again to your main chart. That's where you get your final entry. And if you see candlesticks crossing to be above that blue line, then we've broken the market structure of a downtrend. We're now in an uptrend. And as you can see, the market pushed all the way up. Again, you could use the same concept on take profit and stop loss, depending on what you prefer and what you understand. I actually teach this in depth in our mentorship program. So if you want to be part of it, make sure you sign it up for it. Again, you can ask for more details about it from our Telegram channel or from my WhatsApp number. Okay, so as you can see, you could have caught spikes right here, and right here you still could have managed to win scalping. Okay, both ways. We can go on and on and on looking at different examples. Here is a nice sell trade, as you can see, sold nicely from your entry point. So let me just look for a random post, maybe something from way back, still looking for some. Most of these trades that I'm seeing, I actually trade in them, so it's very difficult for me to find something. So this is July, and with strategy was still working. We've got blue and red break crossing each other while it's at level 80, which is our sell zone. We see break of market structure where you see candlesticks going below our blue line, and as you can see, we sold all the way down just like that. Okay, again, buy opportunity. You can see that some of these trades I actually traded them. There will be arrows on that area because I actually traded these positions. So as you can see, I would have tried and tested it. I don't want to go back further. There's a lot of my analysis down there. Maybe let's take a look at Crash and see what it has. Crash, this buy opportunity, we saw it early in the morning. It was slow. It's slow, but it's still going. I think on my other accounts, I actually have trades on this. You can check my Telegram channel. I'll post them, and you see my trade results from this position. But basically, we were in our buy zone. I actually enjoy buying Crash 500 more than selling it, and I could see break of market structure. There was a little bit of noise around this section, and I was happy because it was telling me that we were coming from a downtrend, and this downtrend is about to end. So when I see choppy markets, I see that the buyers and the sellers are now trying to fight. It's no longer the sellers in control, which means buyers are trying to kick in. My strategy was also telling me the same thing. We were in a buy zone, and it went all the way up. Even if I had traded just a little bit of this movement, still paid off very much. Make sure you join our VIP Signals group again. You'll be able to find more details from our Telegram channel. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and stay subscribed so that you can watch more interesting stuff like this. If you want me to go further on this strategy, explain further, comment down below, and I'll do another video just for you. Until next time.